Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, April 12, 2023. After the market closes today at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we will be hosting an auto trading with IQ webinar, and you are invited to join us this afternoon. If you'd like to do so, there is a link below this video that you can click on, fill out your name, email, and you can register here. You can add any questions that you want to ask us at the webinar, and we will send you a link to join us as well as get a copy of the recording tomorrow. So that'll be after the close. We'll be talking all about our auto trading programs and their performance. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and click that link and join us this afternoon. All right, for today's Daily IQ, we're going to be looking at the CPI report. That comes out this morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. It's been a market mover here in the past year or so. It's been quite volatile. So we're going to be looking at that. We've got all the instruments selected here. Our setups based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Currently, the markets are trading a little bit higher ahead of the report. No idea where we're going to be after the report, but I'm going to go ahead and go with where we're at right now by adding a gap direction of gap up. And then I'm going to go to the indicators library. I'm going to put us in a similar market environment. Yesterday closed above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. And lastly, I'm going to go to the market events library. And in the active today section, we have a couple important things going on. We've got the CPI report that I'm clicking on here. We also got FOMC meeting minutes this afternoon at 2 o'clock. That can be a market mover as well. So that's worth knowing, regardless of the fact that I'm not going to look at it right now. Something you might want to dig into on your own. All right, let me go ahead and click View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are gapping up in a bull market environment on the day of the core CPI report. Historically, we've got 48 samples here in the S&P. We've got 52 in the NASDAQ, 49 in the Dow, 41 in the Russell. Looks like the win rates on these coming in slightly favored. S&P coming in at 58% of them closing above the opening print for the day. For the NASDAQ, that's also 58%. The Dow is the strongest of the group at 63%. Russell's coming in at 51%. If we take a look at the average moves, very similar in size. For the S&P, the average win is just a touch bigger, but they're pretty similar. For the NASDAQ, same deal, very similar in size there. For the Dow, the average loss is a bit larger, and for the Russell, the average win just a touch larger. They're somewhat similar in size, so not a big skew on either of these in the size of the wins or losses. They're fairly similar. Win rates are mostly skewed a little bit higher. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.